Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a quick alternate using the Sweeter With You July 2025 paper pumpkin kit. This is what the kit originally makes. Okay, but before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. We have our Farmhouse Florals paper pumpkin kit that makes 9 whimsical cards. Secret C is the stamping spot, and you do have the opportunity to purchase the Circle of Season add-on dies that coordinate with July, August, and September paper pumpkin kits. And I do have a link in the description box for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you haven't already done so. Oh, and another note, this paper pumpkin kit is going to include an additional stamp set just for free. All right, our next up is Stampin' Rewards program. Earn 10% on all orders, $20 or more, excluding tax and shipping. Redeem rewards on future orders. Track and save rewards in your online Stampin' Up account. Rewards do expire after 12 months of the earning date. Lastly, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I've stuffed full of new and used retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking just $30 for each box. Shipping is included. $30 price is good until July 31st. After that, the price will go up to the $35 because of shipping charges have gone up. If you're interested, stampwithshawna@gmail.com is the place you need to send me an email to inquire, okay? And that is all of our buzzworthy business, so let's get started on our project. So we have a card base here of Pool Party. This is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. Let's burnish that down with our bone folder. We have our inside pieces of Strawberry Slush, 5 by 3 3/4. Basic white at 3.5 by 4 3/4, and we have a little strip here of one of the card bases from the kit. I don't know what size it looks, about a little bit more than 1/4 inch. It's not even really straight. Let's see. We're going to put it this way. We're just going to put a little bit of glue on here. Why do I put it on this when I know I need to put it on my cardstock? And we're just going to put that on here. And I'm going to cut that off using some scissors. And then we're going to add this to the Strawberry Slush piece using some Stampin' Steel. And then we're going to add this to the inside of our card. Ooh, it looked like I squished out some glue right there. Come on. We're just going to add this to the inside of our card base so that we can work on the front of our card. Okay, so we have that done. Now we have the pieces for our card front. We have some basic white here. Strawberry Slush here. This is, what size is our Strawberry Slush? 4 by 2 7/8. And basic white is 4 1/4 by 3. That sounds about right. Then we have some card fronts that I cut, or card backs basically, that I cut from the kit. This one is 1 by 2 3/4, and this is a 2 3/4 by 2 3/4 square. I'm trying to remember. Let me measure this because I'm not sure about these measurements for this Strawberry Slush. So it's 4 1/4 by 3. So that means this one is 4 1/8 by 3 1/8. I knew something just didn't sound right. Okay, so those are our pieces. So then we have a piece from the kit that we're going to stamp Hello Friend in Strawberry Slush. So let's go ahead and do that now. Oh no, what did I just do to my ink pad? It won't slide. Ugh. I don't think I ever used this color. Maybe that's why. It's brand new. It's brand new ink pad. It's never been opened. Just gonna stamp that right down. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, I think that's the only stamping we're doing. Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and put our pieces together. So these are going to go on here like this. So let's get some liquid glue and put our pieces on. Let me see. About like that. Put some glue on this piece. Put that on here. This card sketch was inspired or is using the April 2023 Show Us Your Sheet Load by Call Me Crafty Owl. I'm trying to get this straight because it looks like it's crooked. Then we're going to layer this onto the white mat. Like that. And then we're going to put all of this onto our card base. You guys know I love a good card sketch, and I'm sure you've seen this one before because I usually make her use her card sketches, and this is an old one, but I thought it was perfect for the pieces I had left over from the kit. So now let's get some Stampin' Dimensionals to put on the back of our sentiment here. And we're going to pop this up. We're going to put that about right there, like that. Then I have a strawberry from the kit, one of the smaller strawberries. And we're going to put that right there. Then I have a flower in basic white that I die cut using those Circle of Season dies. Let me show you again what these look like. I know you just seen it on the flyer, but those are the dies. And we're gonna get this flower that I've die cut, and I need to get a small dimensional to put on the back of that. So let me find some mini dimensionals. Put just one right in the center. And we're going to pop this up right over our strawberry like so. Then our final touch is going to be this strawberry slush and Pretty in Pink gems. And we're going to put one of these strawberry slush, one of the small ones. No, this is the Pretty in Pink, I think. We're going to put that right there in the middle of that. Then we're going to get a big one to put right here. Then we're going to get another small one. I think I want to put it over here, just like that. And then before we finish, I want to put some Wink of Stella on our strawberry. Because, you know, our strawberries are juicy. And we just washed them, so they're kind of wet looking. So that's what our Wink of Stella is giving us. Isn't that cute? Nice and simple, right? But it's super cute. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.